Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get on OpenAI Red Team. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for OpenAI Red Team. And this is the first link. We can simply click on this. And if you scroll down, we can see this apply option. And we need to enter all of our details, that is first name, last name, email address, your country of residence, and if you have any organizational affiliation, and enter your educational details and degrees. And you need to enter the sites or the areas of your expertise, and you need to write some details about why you are interested in joining the Red Team. And after you are done with all of the informations here, simply click on submit. You can also add your Twitter profile and LinkedIn profile as well here, and simply click on submit. After which your application will be processed and you can join the Red Team. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.